Leaving camp. As you see, it's cold and windy still, and overcast, so hopefully not too hot today. And there's some people from Virginia, USA, who are doing the same trail. Okay, we already got lost in the first 5 seconds. We took the black trail up instead of north. Always read the instructions carefully is the lesson. It can save you a bit of effort. Yeah, so we're walking in a desert and it's raining. So it's I feel some good drops coming down there. Yeah. Yeah, the view behind us is just amazing.
Stunning.
Stunning. So
colors, purple, brown, black. Beautiful.
It's incredible. Yeah. Still spitting a bit, but not too much rain.
It's nice and cool. I love it. I love walking this weather.
That's cool.
It's perfect.
One of the nice things about the trails here so far is that they are wide enough that we can walk next to one another.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, but
yeah.
Often. It's raining in the desert. It's starting to rain pretty heavily now, so I think we'll throw on the poncho.
Yeah. A little ghost in the desert.
Yeah.
That's all the way. That's where we came from, basically. Yeah.
We're walking here through Shehoret Canyon. Absolutely spectacular. We're waiting out the rain here, so I have a poncho. We haven't found a water tank yet, but hopefully there is one, else we'll have a problem. Yeah, we're setting up the tent, a bit of an early stop today. It's only 12, but the next one would make us arrive after dark. So, hey, more walking, looking for an elusive water tank. At least it's a nice environment to look for water tanks. And it is not raining. It is good. Okay, haven't found water tanks yet. According to Ida, we're going to be in trouble.
I have 1 liter of water left.
Oh.
How much do you have left?
Oh. I think I got 2.5 in total.
Okay. You have them for cooking.
Yeah.
And coffee. And nothing for tomorrow.
I was already sad with myself that I took too much water again, but maybe it is
A lifesaver.
yeah.
Having a nice restful afternoon, listening to the rain on the tent. Berend's editing video, and it's nice to be resting a bit.
What's for dinner?
It's Mediterranean style free range chicken. Yay!
Well, that sounds amazing, and that just in the middle of the desert here.
Just in the bag. Really yummy chicken bits in it. It's a chicken curry. Delicious. It's good. The end of day 2. We finished it. It was an easier day than yesterday. Mainly it was overcasted, which was really good. It was less steep.
And the only problem here at the night camp was there was no water tank.
Oh yeah.
So that's
yeah.
yeah.
In the book we follow the guide. It says there's a water tank here, and we've been looking everywhere, and there's no water tank. So we had some really kind fellow hikers. They gave us 2 liters, so we should be fine for tomorrow.
Well, good night. We'll
Good
see
night.
you tomorrow.
Yeah, good night.